Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Ford Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, front performance tires, rear performance tires. Your new ride is just a phone call away.